everybody, welcome to the latest edition of sketchyGOichie. I'm your humble host, Roger Andrews, artist, illustrator, graphic designer, content creator. And the content I'm creating for you today is another edition in my series called How to Not Suck at Art. And every time I say it, I give myself a little cringe. So hopefully it's having a desired effect upon you in that it's something different, it's something new, and it's a new approach. Yes, I'm saying how to not suck at art, meaning I want to help you figure out a way to feel really good about your art, and particularly the art that you are producing. And a lot of it goes to mindset and philosophy, and so that's what I'm here for. And I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of artwork and a little bit of technique to go along with that. So stay tuned and enjoy.
sketchyGOichie.
Okay, so how do we not suck at art? First thing that comes to mind is goal setting. Yes, setting a goal. I know it sounds corny and it sounds cliche and it sounds like something every teacher in your life has ever said to you, and every mentor in your life has ever said to you, and your parents have said to you. Set a goal and then achieve it. But the reality is that's how successful people do it. There's a reason why every elder in your life, or anyone who's successful in any field, I'm talking anything in your life, generally, not more than generally, almost always sets a goal and creates that pathway to success by setting that goal, giving yourself a starting point. That's what I want to focus on really quickly with this video. Now, if you notice here, I've got this really rough sketch, and it is a rough sketch of this sort of robot character in this little shroud. I think it's meant to be similar to sort of like the Iron Giant, but he's got this little, I don't know, he's got a cloak on for some strange reason. The reason I show this piece of art is because it's one of the very first drawings I did in Procreate, the app for the iPad. I've done a number of videos on this channel, this YouTube channel, the sketchyGOichie channel, on Procreate and how to use it. But this is quite literally one of the very first ones I ever rendered. And I show this because my goal was to get the app. I'd heard about it and I thought, wow, this might be a great way for me to kind of revolutionize my art that I'm producing for my clients, and particularly in a digital form. And so the goal was to get the app, and essentially, if I couldn't master it, I want to get down close to having this app close enough to the way I render in the real world, the way I render on paper, that it absolutely replaces me drawing on said paper. And so that was a goal. I set a goal for myself out, and it's something that is absolutely crucial to you advancing in anything, particularly in art though, because this is an art series, so I'll focus on that. But in life as well, if you set a goal, even if you fail, you've achieved something. More importantly, if you set a high goal, now if you fail to reach that, or you reach maybe the halfway point to that high goal, you've succeeded. Because let's face it, setting a goal and failing is better than doing nothing at all. And you can never, ever, ever advance in art or anything else if you stay stagnant and you just continue to do the same thing over and over again. So if you watch this video unfold visually, it's literally just me feeling around the app. It's quite literally maybe the second or third piece of art I ever rendered on Procreate. And it looks so. I'm learning the tools, I'm figuring out what the different brushes do, I'm playing around with ink line, and it's rough and it's rudimentary. And I'm not afraid to share my early stage stuff with you guys. It doesn't all have to be finished and polished. But the reality is I set a goal, and now digital render is like my thing. And I feel like I have a really strong grasp on Procreate. Certainly enough to make it my app and go-to instrument of choice. So set a goal and set a hard goal and you can accomplish it anytime, all day, day and night. So, sketchyGOichie, live your moment. Happy sketching, y'all. set that goal. And let that goal be to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook and everywhere else. All right. Peace.